Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're back out on the trail with the MN86K. It comes as a kit that you'll have to assemble yourself, and I think you'll agree that it looks fantastic. The only things you'll need to provide yourself is a battery, an ESC and a receiver and transmitter. I'll put a link down below in the description of where you can get yourself an MN86, and I'll also put a link down in the description where you can find Springwoods RC, which is today's location. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll put a link down below in the description where you can find the truck and where you can find Springwoods RC. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.